Modernization theory is a fundamental proposition that people in traditional societies should adopt the characteristics of modern societies in order to modernize their social, political, and economic institutions. In the context of development, it is assumed that the North consists of modern societies and the South of traditional societies. Modernization theory is a presumption that all countries had similar starting points and follow similar paths to development along the lines of contemporary First World societies. Many people are curious why they are allergic and others are not. The answer to this is that allergies are genetic in almost all cases. Scientists and researchers believe that people inherit a tendency to be allergic, although not to any specific allergen. Children are much more likely to develop allergies if their parents have allergies. Interestingly, people with perennial allergies commonly develop the problem as adults and are more likely to be women than men. In today's society, modern technology is evidently developing rapidly and it is portrayed as a negative impact. It can be seen that technology is a substitution of all characteristics of life. The purpose of every technological invention is to benefit the lives of mankind, thus reinforcing the positive connotation of technology. However, in long term, it may not be beneficial, such as education, work, and leisure are all becoming dependent on technology. Cyberspace is dangerous, and child obesity is increasing. Conversational teaching is an effective pedagogy which assists children to acquire reading skills from the beginning of learning to read. The stages of teaching young children to read include observing what the child is looking at while you point at the book, naming anything the child touches or sees in the book, and naming and pointing to pictures or words that the child is not observing. The child's developmental stage and experience with reading determine their current stage of conversational learning. Although cows evolved to survive on grass, farmers are now feeding them corn for rapid growth to benefit the economy. After 6 months, calves are weaned off grass, put into pens, and forced to eat corn. While this does not make sense from an environmental, health, or humane treatment of animals viewpoint, economically it does, as a corn-enriched diet enables cows to reach slaughter weight faster and produce more to meet demands.